everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Zero Touch Cyber. Those who visiting our channel for the first time, please make sure to hit subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem like a minor annoyance, but plays a major role in keeping your devices secure: software updates for the mobile and laptops. Software updates are those notifications you often ignore. But hold up, they're not just about adding cool features. There are two main types: feature updates and security updates. And trust me, the security ones are crucial. Hackers love security flaws, also known as software vulnerabilities. A software vulnerability is a security hole or weakness found in a software program or operating system. Hackers can take advantage of the weakness by writing code to target the vulnerability. The code is packaged into malware, short for malicious software. What happens next? The malware can steal data saved on your device or allow the attacker to gain control over your computer and encrypt your files. So don't ignore software update notifications. Importance of software updates for security. 1. Vulnerability patching. Updates fix vulnerabilities in your system. Think of it like repairing weak spots in your digital armor. 2. Protection against malware. Outdated software. That's like an open invitation to malware. Updates help close those doors and keep your data safe. 3. Data protection. Your personal info deserves a fortress. Updates help build and reinforce that fortress, protecting your sensitive data. Benefits beyond security. 1. Performance improvement. Updates aren't just about security. They also boost your device's speed and overall performance. 2. Compatibility. Ensuring your device runs the latest apps seamlessly. Updates keep you on the cutting edge without any slowdowns. So, next time that notification pops up, hit that update button. Your security and device performance will thank you. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time, stay secure.